Sonnet 116 by William Shakespeare. Sonnet 116 is a world famous poem by world famous poet and dramatist William Shakespeare. This poem is also known as Love is Not Love, which is the first line of the poem. And the title of the poem and the first line of the poem is then explained throughout the next 13 lines. This video is an introduction to William Shakespeare and his Sonnet 116. William Shakespeare is such a name which is known to all the people in the world who speak, write, and know English language. He is known as world's one of the greatest dramatists and the greatest in English literature. He is known as an Elizabethan leading writer whose four tragedies, Othello, Macbeth, Hamlet, and King Lear, are very popular and quoted at many instances as universal qualities of human nature. His Julius Caesar is a Roman play, but it is very near and dear to all the drama lovers. Here, in this poem, we should discuss William Shakespeare as a poet. As William Shakespeare is a great dramatist, he is really a great writer and he is really a great poet too. His 154 sonnets, which have been volumized, which have been taken together, are very famous, and his skills as a poet are presented in this volume. Sonnet 116, the number of the poem in the volume is there, or Love is Not Love, is a definition of true love. When we speak about love, it is a universal human feeling, emotion, and which is, in a way, we can say, the root, the base of human life. No doubt other feelings and emotions are there, but the human life is based on love. Let us read the poem once. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark whose worth is unknown, although his height be taken. Love is not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the age of doom. If this be error and upon me proved, I never read, nor no man ever loved. So friends, let us see the meaning, let us see the nature of the poem in the next video. Thank you.